Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 7th, video number 5, integers, section A, easy. Let's start. If A and B are integers and A not equal to B, then which of the following is incorrect? To understand these statements, what you do is put 1 in place of A and 2 in place of B. So what happens? 1 plus 2 equals to 2, 2 plus 1, 3, that is correct. Now 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Remember? Plus minus minus and signature of the bigger sign, so minus 2. But 2 minus 1 is plus 1, so B is incorrect. So B is incorrect. It is the required answer. See, 1 plus 0 equals to 0 plus 1 equals to 1. 1 minus 0 equals to 1, not equal to 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So that is also correct. Only B is incorrect. The absolute value of minus 25 plus 45 minus 60 plus 10 equals to. Now what do you mean by absolute value? Absolute value means positive value. Now what do you mean by positive value? Suppose if you solve this, minus 25 plus 45 is 45 plus minus minus 45 minus 25 20, sign of the bigger number, so plus 20. Plus 20 minus 60 plus 10, we are here now. So 20 minus 60, minus plus minus 60 minus 20 is 40, sign of the bigger number, minus 40. Now plus 10, minus 40 plus 10. So 40 minus plus minus minus 40 minus 10 is 30, sign of the bigger number, minus 30. So the answer is minus 30 now. But we want absolute value. Absolute value is written like this. Two parallel lines before and after this number and minus 30, and that is called as positive value. So remove this minus and this is the answer, plus 30. Find the value of the expression. All is given. Minus 40 minus minus 25 plus 30 divided by 10 plus minus 65 into minus 10. While solving any algebraic expression, definitely follow BODMAS rule. What is BODMAS? I have discussed it in my earlier video also. Brackets, then order, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Go in this order only. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.